Hi Asad, this is Biplab speaking. Today is the first day of this week, so good day to you. So I started at 9 in the morning and opened my mail and check out all the detail that they are mail with the team and rent a channel, and then I go to my schedule work. That was today my daily research schedule was RSR Frontier, so I work on RSR and got some product. So already I have 4 products over here and set it on my channel. Just check out over here and also watch on Home Street for learning how to learn about your videos detail and try to understand about Frontier supplier. So it is now on process and try to learn it. So when we talk about that, then we can know about the detail. So this is my today's work. So thank you for watching my video.